Students of Oxford High School Uppugunduru. In previous class or before class we have discussed about the mirror formula. In this class I have to explain the magnification. Okay na? Magnification generally represented by the letter small m. The magnification it is nothing but the ratio of image distance by object distance or height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object. Magnification it is nothing but the ratio of image distance to the object distance or height of the image by height of the object. And one more thing, the magnification produced by the plane mirror is always 1. The magnification produced by the plane mirror is always 1. That is very important one. Magnification produced by the plane mirror is 1. Here m is equal to minus v by u or hi by ho. Okay na? In this lesson I have to explain or I have to derive the magnification m is equal to minus v by u. Okay na? Here see this formula is applicable either convex lens or concave lens. This is for concave lens na. Okay, and this is for core and next focus and next center of curvature. Okay na? Here okay see for example this is object okay na, object should be represented by o dash o dash is represents the object height. Okay na? Here the first light ray is coming from the object is incident on the concave surface. After reflection it will be passes through the focus graph. This is incident ray and this is the reflected ray. And the second light ray which makes a certain angle with the pole masira which makes certain angle with the principal axis at a point P. P means pole. Okay na? The same angle, the reflected rays will make the same angle with the principal axis at a point pole. Okay na? This is also reflected ray. The two reflected rays are meet, that point gives the image. Here this indicates image height I dash. Okay na? O dash represents the object height I dash represents the image height. Now see first light ray coming from the object incident on the concave surface. After reflection it will be passes through the focus. And the second light ray is coming from the tip of the object which makes a certain angle with the principal axis at a point pole. The reflected ray will also make an equal angle and reflected back into the same medium. Okay? Here masira o dash p. This is the one triangle I dash p is the second triangle. Masira from this diagram O dash p and I dash p or the right angle triangles. Right angle triangles means it makes 90 degrees angle. Here also it makes 90 degrees angle. O dash p and I dash p are the two right angle triangles. From the triangle O dash p, here O dash p here it makes theta angle. It will also makes equal angle. O dash p. O dash p here O dash, here theta, and this represents object height ho. Here this is for p. The distance from pole to object should be called as object distance. It is represented by u. Here from this diagram tan theta is equal to opposite side o dash by adjacent side op. Here opposite side by adjacent side. OS means opposite side, AS means adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to O dash by OP, opposite side by adjacent side. And next one, from the triangle I dash P. Here I dash P. Here also tan theta is equal to I dash, opposite side by adjacent side IP. Okay na? opposite side by adjacent side I dash by IP. This is for equation number 1 and this is for equation number 2. From these two equations, left side of these equations are equal, then right side of this equation also equal. From equations 1 and 2, see here, from equations 1 and 2, first equation is O dash by OP is equal to second equation I dash by IP. O dash by OP is equal to I dash by IP. Okay na? Reverse the above equation ra. Reverse the above equation. Reverse the above equation amma. This one should be written as OP by O dash is equal to IP by I dash. Okay na? And next one, interchange this equation. That means like this. I dash by O dash is equal to here IP by OP. Okay na? Interchange this equation, interchange the numerators and the denominators values. I dash by O dash is equal to IP by OP. Okay na? I dash by O dash is equal to IP by OP. I dash, it is nothing but image height. Image height. Here already I said this is for principal axis. Above the principal axis, height of the image, height of the object should be taken as a positive. And below the principal axis, height of the image and height of the object should be taken as a negative. Here, height of the object should be placed above the principal axis, but the image should be formed below the principal axis. That means the height of the image should be formed below the principal axis. That's why I dash. That means height of the image should be taken as a negative. Okay na? Here O dash means height of the object. Height of the object should be kept above the principal axis. That's why height of the object should be taken as positive. And next one here, OP means the distance from pole to object, that is called object distance. Object distance is always taken as a negative, OP is equal to minus U. And next IP. IP means the distance from pole to image, image distance should be taken as a negative because all the distance should be measured in the opposite direction of the incident ray. Okay na? All distance should be measured in the opposite direction of incident ray. That's why object distance and the image distance should be taken as a negative. These values should be substituted in this equation. In this equation number 3. Okay na? Here I dash is equal to image height. That is minus HI by O dash is equal to object height HO is equal to IP means image distance minus U. Object OP means object distance minus U. Here minus get cancelled. This one should be written as minus HI by HO is equal to V by U. This one should be written as HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. This one should be is equal to magnification M is equal to HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. This is the formula to find out the magnification of any mirror. Magnification M is equal to HI by HO or minus V by U. Magnification, it is nothing but the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object or height of the image distance to the height of the object. And next one, magnification produced by the plane mirror is always 1. Magnification produced by the plane mirror is always 1. If the magnification is equal to 1, here, if the magnification M is equal to 1, this is always represents the plane mirror. This is always represents the plane mirror. Masira, if magnification is equal to 1, it is always represents the plane mirror. Okay? And next one, if the magnification is less than 1, magnification is less than 1, magnification M is equal to image distance by object distance. Image distance by object distance. Okay na? See ra, in convex mirror it will always form a diminished image, not enlarged image. In case of convex mirror, it always forms a diminished image. That's why the magnification is always less than 1. The magnification is always less than 1. Only in case of convex mirror. Only in case of convex mirror, it will always form a diminished image. That's why the magnification is always less than 1. If in a case of a convex mirror, in case of a concave mirror, diminished image will be formed or enlarged image is formed. See Amma, here if M is greater than 1, in case of concave mirror, in case of concave mirror, in case of concave mirror, magnification is equal to 1 in case of plane mirror. That means the magnification produced by the plane mirror is always 1. In case of a concave mirror, the magnification is always 1 number. Magnification is always greater than 1 or less than 1 number. In case of a concave mirror, the magnification is always greater than 1 or less than 1. If magnification is less than 1, in case of a convex mirror, in case of a convex mirror, Masira, here concave mirror or convex mirror. See, here magnification 1 in case of a plane mirror. If M is greater, magnification is greater than M in case of a concave mirror. If magnification is less than 1 in case of a convex mirror or concave mirror. Masira, how is the magnification is always 1 in a plane mirror? Masira, magnification it is nothing but image distance by object distance. Okay na? In plane mirror, the size of the image is always equal to size of the object. That means object distance is always equal to image distance. Here V by U, amma, in case of U, V is a substitute. Both are get cancelled. Value is 1. Okay na? That's why the magnification M is equal to 1 in plane mirror, because the size of the image is always equal to size of the object. Object distance is always equal to image distance, and the height of the image is always equal to height of the object. That's why the magnification produced by the plane mirror is always 1. And next one, if M is greater than 1 in case of a concave mirror. For example, if an object is placed between F and C, if an object is placed between pole and center of curvature, the image should be formed beyond center of curvature. The image is enlarged image. Okay na? Enlarged image. That means image size should be increased, height of the image should be increased, and the image distance should be increased. That case also the magnification is greater than 1 in case of a concave mirror. Whether in case of a convex and concave mirror, the magnification is less than 1. For example, if an object, in case of a convex mirror, if an object is placed anywhere between pole and infinitive, the image is always formed between pole and focus. It is always forms a diminished image. That means the magnification value is always less than 1. The magnification value is always less than 1. Okay, now ma, here M is equal to 1 in case of a plane mirror, and M is greater than 1 in case of a concave mirror, and M is less than 1 in case of a convex mirror and concave mirror. This is about the magnification, amma. In this lesson, we have discussed about the magnification, and next derivation of magnification, and then what is the value of magnification in plane mirror, and what is the value of magnification in concave mirror, and next one convex mirror.